For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of mediocre home theaters that fail to deliver an immersive experience? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Denon AVR-X2800H, a game-changing AV receiver that's packed with features and performance. Therefore, I'm excited to dive into 3 crucial things you need to know about this powerhouse. The first thing that caught my attention was the Denon AVR-X2800H's ability to deliver exceptional sound quality. With its 8K resolution and Dolby Atmos support, it can handle even the most demanding audio formats with ease. But what really sets it apart is its sleek and compact design, making it perfect for home theaters of all sizes. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into some technical specifications that will give you a better understanding of this powerhouse. The Denon AVR-X2800H features 7 HDMI inputs, allowing you to connect multiple devices at once without worrying about running out of ports. Therefore, you can enjoy seamless switching between your TV, Blu-ray player, and gaming console. However, what's truly impressive is its advanced audio processing capabilities, including a built-in phono stage for connecting turntables and a DAC digital-to-analog converter that supports up to 192K Hz/32-bit resolution. Therefore, you can enjoy crystal-clear sound quality with even the most high-fidelity music sources. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that set the Denon AVR-X2800H apart from other AV receivers on the market. 8K resolution support. Enjoy stunning visuals with the latest 8K resolution support. Dolby Atmos and DTS. Experience immersive audio with these cutting-edge formats. Advanced audio processing. Get crystal-clear sound quality with features like phono stage and DAC. 7 HDMI inputs. Connect multiple devices at once without running out of ports. But what really sets the Denon AVR-X2800H apart is its incredible value for money. Therefore, if you're looking to upgrade your home theater setup without breaking the bank, this AV receiver should be at the top of your list. However, there's more to the story. Let's talk about some potential drawbacks and limitations that you should consider before making a purchase. Steep learning curve. The Denon AVR-X2800H has a lot of features and settings, which can be overwhelming for beginners. No Wi-Fi connectivity. You'll need to connect your devices via Ethernet or use a separate wireless adapter. Pricey accessories. Some users have reported that the included accessories are pricey. Therefore, it's essential to weigh these pros and cons before deciding if the Denon AVR-X2800H is right for you. But don't worry, I've got some good news. With its exceptional sound quality, advanced audio processing capabilities, and incredible value for money, the Denon AVR-X2800H is a game-changer in the world of home theaters. Therefore, if you're looking to take your entertainment experience to the next level, this AV receiver should be at the top of your list. For the best price, click the link in the description.